What's going on, guys? We are here in downtown Edmonton, and today we're gonna eat Isan chicken, more commonly known as Gai Yang. We are here at Chix Shack. So today we are at Chix Shack, and they serve traditional Thai chicken. So it's Isan, it's from the Isan region, and a grown-up Lao, I tend to eat this kind of food. So we're gonna see how it stacks up against Lao food and Thai food. So Lao food is basically, we take Thai food and we put our little spin on it. So growing up eating Lao food, we're gonna see how this stacks up against, you know, my home cooking Lao food and also this Chix Shack. So we just got the food. So we got the traditional Isan chicken, Gai Yang, which is grilled chicken. We got the sticky rice, we got the som tam, and we got the Lao. Now these two look very similar to the Lao versions I get at home, but we're gonna see if they added the dankness to the som tam. That's fermented anchovy paste. And also we're gonna see if they added the ground up rice, grilled rice into this. So we're gonna take a test and then we're gonna see how it is. Okay, so traditionally you're supposed to take the sticky rice here, and you're supposed to just grab it with kind of the finger. The lab right here, spot on with or my homemade lab. They got the grilled rice ground up in there, so it's very authentic tasting. And now we're gonna try the som tam. We're gonna see if it's as spicy and as funky as the Lao version. So take a little right there. Just like that. Okay, it's not as spicy. It's a little bit sweeter than the Lao one I'm used to, but still, all in all, it's very good. You can taste the lime in there, the lemon, and they did throw in some of that patek in there. And finally, we're gonna go on to the Gai Yang, the main addition. So they give you this sauce here, this dipping sauce. And then you're just supposed to dip it. See how this is. Very juicy, very tender. Now this sauce, I'm familiar with this sauce. It's meant for fish, for poultry too. It's like kind of like a fermented kind of lime juice. But yeah, this is Chix Shack, very authentic. It's on point with the home cooking I'm used to, Lao style. Yeah, if you're ever in downtown Edmonton, just come and check it out. Get authentic Thai chicken and authentic som tam and Lao. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell notification for updates.